Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss example 3 of chapter progressions and topic is geometric progression. So what is given here? Find the common ratio of the GP series given as 25, minus 5, 1, minus 1 by 5, so on. So in this we need to find common ratio, that is R value, small r value. Guys, first write down what is given in the question. What is given? Given that A, that is first term, that is nothing but T1, nothing but 25, and T2, that is second term, okay, and T3 is 1, T4 is minus 1 by 5, and so on. In this we need to find R value, that is common ratio. Guys, I said in the previous example also, if we know first term and common ratio, then we can find any term in the given series. But in this question, they gave already series. We know first term, we know second term, third term, fourth term, but we don't know what is the difference between them. So, we need to find the common ratio between them. So, what is the formula to find the common ratio? First, write down the general term of the GP series. General term of GP is given as AR squared, so on, AR power n. Okay, and R is taken as common ratio, that is T2 by T1, T3 by T2, so on, Tn by Tn minus 1. This is the formula. Okay, so substitute the values. What is T2 here? Minus 5, and T1 is 25. Simplify. We get minus 1 by 5. Therefore, R equal to minus 1 by 5. I hope you understand this sum. In the next video, we are going to cover next example, or we will start exercise of GP series. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.